Morning Flash Update, and this update is for the morning of Friday, the 17th of May, 2024, about 8:20 a.m. Central Time. Well, as you can see behind me, with the exception of the Russell, we have the Dow, the NASDAQ, and the S&P up fractionally. Metals, though, on a tear to the upside, 15 cents higher in the copper market. Silver market up almost $1. You heard me, almost $1 an ounce up. That's huge. $22 higher in the gold market. Now remember, I have done a special gold report for everybody. I'll show you how to get to it in a moment here. It's very simple. It is on both, by the way, the futures and GLD. I cover the seasonality in it. I cover the price counts in it, where it might be headed, and weekly and daily charts. I think you'll find it fascinating. In the dollar index, a small rebound. I can't say that it's much of anything. The currencies are acting a bit weaker, with the exception of the peso, Mexican peso, which is a bit higher. In the grain markets, again, you're in that type of play now, where each weekend you go in, the question is, do the farmers get enough done? Then it'll be, is there enough heat? Is it too dry? You get that through the whole growing season. So understand that coming in on a Friday, people position for what the markets are going to do on Sunday night. As we take a look right now, going into the energy markets, remember, now you're kicking off the driving season, so you're getting good short covering, and I use the word good short covering, losing bearish embedded readings in the gasoline. I had told traders today, keep your eye on some of the key moving averages, especially the 18. This market could be headed up there, and that's what I think is going on. And in the bonds and notes, probably flat action for a little bit here. Now, when we look at today's action, you're going to get the conference board leading, lagging, and coincident indicators at 9 o'clock. We have one Fed governor scheduled to speak at 9:15. 3 spoke yesterday, all in favor of Fed higher for longer. And in China, here it comes. They are releasing salvos, the equivalent of $41.5 billion via the People's Bank, where they're going to make cheap money available to buy up these unfinished buildings, homes, and so on at distressed prices. They're not going in and just buying. Each area can decide what is a distressed price, and they're going to make them available as affordable housing with mortgages that have special rates that can renew their one-year mortgages, but they can renew 4 times. They're changing the amount of money that goes as a deposit, and you can have second homes with this, and they've changed the amount of money down, lowering them for deposits on those. That doesn't mean this will all work. We will see. China's also been in the market selling some long-term bonds as they want to build more infrastructure. That combination will impact the copper market, other markets like it, so pay attention to that. As I said a moment ago, if you want to catch my gold report, they're only up for 3 business days when I do a special report. It is right here in the research section of Ira Epstein and Company, and you can see it right through here. Go to iraepstein.com. Can't make it easier. When you get there, right through there. With that, I'm Ira. I'll catch you all over the weekend as we look at the weekly charts and try to give you a review of what's happened and what it looks like for some of these longer-term trends when we look at the weekly charts. Have a great trading day.